Hello, this is Create the Heart, and I have another quick haul for you guys today. So, first, I'm going to start off with the Greetery. I really like their release. I didn't buy too much from it. Just kind of bought what I really wanted. They gave us a free gift, which is this microfiber cloth. But I really liked the What's the Scoop. So I did buy the What's the Scoop. I also bought on sale, I think it's considered a baby line, but they have like a bee, a little sprout, I think an elephant. And then there's a stamp set that you can make the little faces, and you've got these little stamps that go with it. So I thought it's very cute. But I really liked the What's the Scoop. So, oh, there's a little sprout in the pot. But it's got all these cool sentiments, and then it spells out scoop with the different sort of, colors. You make it look like an ice cream. It's pretty cool. So I really liked it, so I went ahead and picked that up. And then I got lucky with Simon Says stamp clearance. I never get lucky like that, but I did. So most of these items were $9.99 or $3.99 unless they came with the die. Then I believe they were $9.99. So I think some of the little standalone dies were 99 cents. All the paper was 99 cents. I think I spent $150 shipped with maybe I think it was $60 and $50, even less than that, $110. And I got all of this stuff. So do I need all of it? Of course not. I'm doing a humongous de-stash. As soon as school lets out, I got to go through everything because I need to clean stuff out. But I got these paper pads for 99 cents. It's crazy. I'm like, what the heck? I got this 12 by 12 paper for 99 cents. And then, so I've got these Avery L. I think these were $3.99. So I got this one. This one really could use a die, so I'll keep an eye out for that. This cherry one, I might have this one. I'm going to have to look and see because I do love cherries. So I might have this one, but I mean, great deals. I went ahead and picked that one up. So that's exciting. I've had my eye on this Avery L one that's upcoming there. I've had my eye on that cute little Hawaiian style one, and then this one right here, and these were, I believe, $3.99. And then this was 99 cents. The clouds, I want to say, were 99 cents. Maybe $3.99. This one was definitely 99 cents. So, and then I got these little guys. So I can't remember exactly how much they were. They might have been $3.99 for both of them, but super, super inexpensive. So the stamp and the die, that ice cream, super cute, nice and big. And then, so these were, I can't remember how much they were, but they were very, very cheap. And then I got some new JBs from My Favorite Things, and these were an amazing deal. So I think that was $3.99. Cannot not get that. And then this is a Mama Elephant die, which I don't have. I went ahead and bought that one. And then this was $3.99. And then I got both of these. I think each one of these might have been $3 or $5. So it's very expensive. This one was $9.99 when it's got the both of them inside. $9.99 for that one. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I got these two. I am always late to the party. Oh, look what I got. So, and this die, and then this little like movie screen. Super exciting. I never get that lucky, but apparently I did. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Crank the Heart.